Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and here we have the Redmi K70Pro, and this is the newest and the latest model from Redmi, and this time they released 3 models, the Redmi K70, K70E and K70 Pro, and this time we have the Pro edition, and also you get the high specification one, Redmi K70 Pro, white color, 24GB RAM plus 1TB 1024GB ROM edition. So today I'm going to have a very quick and very simple unboxing video about this new model from Redmi, and we will also talk about the specifications and also main features about this device. So okay, here we get another information is they use the latest Xiaomi on developed HyperOS. I think this is the first the Redmi model smartphone used powered by HyperOS, so they have a label here. And about the box, nothing special. And next, I'm going to unbox this and let's check how this phone looks like. Wow, I'm so excited to unbox it. So after we open it, here we get another package, another box. Redmi, powered by Redmi. Okay, let's check. So here's the SIM card slot, and also the safety information, and also we have a thick gel and a soft thick gel case. This is better, the touch feelings and the quality is a bit better than the normal transparent plastic one. So okay, this is all the stuff inside this first packaged box. Okay, let's put it aside. And then here the phone is just here in front of us. Whoa, it was protected in a soft plastic bag. Oh, here smartphone. Let's put it aside first. And then, before we check the smartphone, we can find here is the 120 watt fast charger here provide, and also here is the cable. Well, it's a Type C to USB cable here. No Type C to Type C, and this time for the K70 Pro they used it's powered by a 5000 big battery, so nothing special. And let's put it back, and then go to the Redmi K70 Pro white color. So first we check the appearance, and this time for the Redmi K70 Pro they have 3 colors. The dark thing is the black color, and also this is called shining white color, and also they have a blue, the bamboo blue color. And personally I really like this white color, especially for the special textures. You can find it from different angles. It looks so unique and very beautiful, so I really like it. And also this time for dimensions about this device is very acceptable. It's very nice for me. My hand is not so big, and this time the length is 160.86, and the width is 74.95, and the thickness this time is just 8.21 mm, and also weight about this one is just 209 grams. And for the dimensions of the K70 Pro is just the same like the K70, and also the weight same like the K70. But the color for the K70 Pro, they have another purple color. So this is the very simple about the dimensions about this device. And also, as one thing I think I should really mention is here the the back panel. It looks so nice, and I really like it. And it's called kind of silk fittings glass back panel, and I really like it. As I mentioned, the texture is like a silk. And also for the framework, they use the shining framework, but for the K70, it's used the matted, not the shining metal. So this is difference compared to the K70. And also for the, when we go to the front and we tap the screen, we can find 1, 2, 3, 4. The four sides have a same bezel. So this from the front, it looks so balanced, and I really like the feelings, the design of the four-side equal bezel. It looks so beautiful, and also the shining is the framework is also very nice. Not even it's easy to left your fingerprint on it, but it looks more high-end, more fashion. So that's I like it. And so this is about the okay, very quick about the appearance. And also we can find here is the camera zone. They have a new camera zone design here. Triple camera system, dual LED flashlight, and also the 50 megapixel OIS camera, the main camera, and also 2 times optical zoom performance to provide. So this is the appearance about the Redmi K70. And also we can go to settings to check the specification about this device. So this is the Redmi K70 Pro, and I mentioned is the 24 megapixel RAM plus 1 TB ROM, and also they use the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor is 3.3 GHz maximum frequency. But you know, for the Redmi K70, they just use Generation 2 Snapdragon 8 processor. So this is a improved one. But both of them support the LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0 RAM and ROM combination. So this is same about RAM and ROM, but the processor they improved. Check here. More information here. Yeah. Information here. Powered by Android. CPU information. Yeah, so this is about the performance, and also next we can talk about the screen. What surprised me is this time for the Redmi K70 and 70 Pro, both of them used a very high quality and decent screen. It's a 6.67-inch 2K display resolution, C8 material. The screen is support 526 ppi, and also it get 4000 peak brightness, 4000 nit peak brightness, so it can get a very nice display performance if it's in a very shining environment. And also it supported the PWM pulse width modulation, 3840 Hz. It's going to protect your eyes well, and also it can get a very nice display information. So I think this is one of the best screen you can buy at this cost. It's very nice. And also next we can also talk about the camera, because this time the camera is also improved one compared to the last generation. And for the K70, they use the 50 megapixel main camera and 12 megapixel wide angle and the 50 megapixel portrait. Compared with the K70, it's improved for the wide angle and the portrait. But front, both of them support the 60 megapixel front camera. So this is also very nice, because for the K70 it just have a 8 megapixel wide angle and a 2 megapixel macro lens. So this is a difference about the camera. Yes. But for the K70, it have a Hunter for the light 800, and it supports OIS here, and also it have a 1.6 f1.6 big aperture. So this is same for K70 Pro. So that's what surprised me is both of them have very good shooting and camera specifications. And the last the video I will show the samples of the camera. And next we can go talk about the battery. 5000 and 100 watt fast charging, as I mentioned, less than 30 minutes you can fully charge this device. And also for the K70 is also 5000, but not 120 fast charging. But for this device, it doesn't support IP68 rating and no wireless charging, and so this is a bit pity thing, yes. And also the NFC and the infrared duration controller and axis moto and dual speakers is also supported. So this is the main information about the device we got today, the Redmi K70 Pro. And next I'm going to have a very simple and very quick camera test. We can put a red box here, and then we can show you the camera one time, wide angle, 2 times, support 20 times the performance. 2 times is optical is 2 times optical zoom performance, and also the front camera sample test. So I will put these images at the end of the video and you can check it. Yes, so this is very quick and very simple unboxing video about the Redmi K70 Pro, and thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.